got you some ice. Catch.
Thank you, doll.
Thanks for the bird.
Actually, there were two, but the other one died.
Kathy will be so happy.
Can you come to my birthday party?
No, I'm going home to San Francisco. I'm so sorry, Kitty.
Kathy.
Come in.
Hello, Annie.
Hello, Melanie.
Did you curl your hair?
Yes, isn't it pretty?
Yes, indeed.
I need to tell you something.
Okay. Kids, you have to run home as fast as you can.
Yes, Mr.
Kids, save yourselves.
Daddy, I can swear the birds were attacking the children.
Birds are peaceful animals. They don't attack people.
But she saw it with her own eyes.
You're scaring my child.
Shut up. The birds are attacking again.
Oh shit.
Look, that man's lighting a cigar.
Don't drop the match.
Don't drop the match. Don't drop the match.
You're evil.
No, I'm not.
The birds didn't behave like this until you got here.
Can we just be friends? Yeah.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Rinse and notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk news, people are gods. Speak no feeling, no, I don't believe you don't care. What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Rinse and notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-swing talk, newspaper, I got speak, no feeling, no, I don't believe you. You don't care a bit, you don't.
What you say, what you say, what you say, what you say. That you only meant well, well, cause you did. What you say, that it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say, that it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say, what did she say?